Today we're working on arpeggios with root chord and first inversion and second inversion. The fingering is C major 1 3 5, 1 2 5, 1 3 5, back to root. Repeat that going back down with that fingering. Then I do it in G. Notice the fingering always on the first inversion is 1 2 5. I do it on D. Yes, I put my thumb on the black key. I do it on A. And I do it on E. What they all have in common is that the root position chord is with finger 1 3 5. The first inversion chord is always 1 2 5. And the second inversion chord is always 1 3 5. So please learn these in blocks. Left hand is different. Left hand, again, C major chord. When I go to the first inversion, I use 5 3 1 because I'm using this large space here. Second inversion, I'm using 5 2 1, root position, and I come back down with the same fingering. Here it is in G, same thing. 5 2 1, D major, same thing. 5 2 1, and the thumb does play the F sharp. We move to A major, same thing, same fingering. And E major.